Wouldn't it be great if you could just go to someone's LinkedIn profile, click Add to CRM, and all their details were added to your Monday CRM, including their name, email, company, and all of the qualified fields you would expect. Well, I'm going to show you how using a Chrome extension called Linkmonday, which we've built, and I'll just quickly go through the process. So you're going to add the extension, and then it's going to take you to the sign up page. But the first thing we want to do is just to pin the extension to the toolbar. It's just going to make it much easier to use, and I'll show you that in a second. So yes, I pinned it. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. And after this, we just need to connect to Monday. And the way that we do that is just using the Monday API key, which we can get by going to the Monday platform, clicking on Developers, and then clicking on My Access Tokens. So this is a test account. I'm just going to copy this, paste it in, and now we can go to any LinkedIn profile and click on the extension in the top right, and it's going to reveal contact information, the company they work at, job title, etc. And it's going to allow us to just click that button to add them into their CRM. So let's start using it. I'll go to my own profile, click on the Chrome extension. As we can see, it's fetched all of the information we need. And when I click on Add to Monday, it's going to just create that record in the Monday CRM, and I can click on the button here and see it. So it really is very easy to get started. It's going to create the person and company. As you can see, it's created a company here, and yeah, link is in the description. But you get started with Linkmonday to make it much easier to find contact details and add them to your Monday CRM.